Hi guys, I'm Bok and let me tell you something. I seen many players said the owl is gone because of the RAM. But my join my game. My land my name is 1006, no space. And then so when I play the game on day 10 it shows the RAM. But on another game somehow it's the owl. And when I start a game, there is always a call. Not two, not three, just one call. What about two, bro, or three? So, see ya. Bye. Please support me.